students, welcome to school. Today in English grammar we are going to learn something new. We will learn about some musical instrument, then occupations and contraction. So let's start. Now we'll start with module 13. Now we will see musical instrument. There are different musical instrument that we see and use in our daily life. First is a flute. We can play flute with the help of mouth. So we can sing different song on flute. This is tabla. It is played with two hands. This is harmonium and it is played with fingers. This is sitar and it is played with fingers of both the hands. This is a guitar and it is played with fingers. This is a piano and it is also played with fingers. Now we'll see some important occupations. This is a plumber. A plumber fits pipes, taps and many other things regarding water supply. This is a tailor. A tailor stitch clothes. A tailor also design beautiful dresses. That means design dresses. A tailor also stitch design dresses. This is a librarian. In library where books are kept, we can see a librarian. A librarian is a person who gives us books to read. Story books, informative books and so many other books are given by the librarian. This is a fruit seller. A fruit seller sells different fruits in his shop. We can see watermelon, mango, papaya, pear, apple and so many other fruits in the shop of a fruit seller. All seasonal fruits are sold in the shop of a fruit seller. He sells different fruits in his shop. This is a nurse. We can see a nurse in a hospital. A nurse looks after the patients in hospital. She also takes care of the patients. This is a cook. A cook is a person who cooks food for us and he cooks delicious food for us. The cook is also called a chef. There are some other occupations such as policeman, doctor, fireman, engineer, teacher and many other occupations that people do. So these were the occupations that people do in different sectors. Now we'll see what are contractions. Now we'll see contraction. Contract means to make smaller. A contraction is made by combining two words to make a single word. This make it easier to speak this word. Contractions are short form of word. These contractions can be explained by joining or combining two words and by shortening them. That is, the short form of a word is called a contraction. Now we'll see how these contractions are formed. Here word is plus not is added and it become isn't. Again I am you have you, we are we, it is its, she will she'll, then did not didn't, he is his, you would you'd, do not don't, they are there. These are the contractions. Now we'll see how these contractions become while joining the two words. What changes occur to make a word as a contraction? In a contraction, the words are replaced by apostrophe. Here you can see that he is. With that is, I is replaced by the apostrophe. Again she is. Here she, then I is replaced by the apostrophe. Now when the words are replaced, we will see and we will learn the rules of contraction. We use apostrophe to replace some words, but apostrophe is not used for possessive pronouns such as mine, ours, theirs, his, hers, and yours. So it is not used for possessive pronoun. Apostrophe is not used for possessive pronoun. Now we'll see when we use the contraction words and how the words are replaced by apostrophe. Now we'll see how O is replaced by the apostrophe in not. That means when the second word is not, it takes the place of the O. That is apostrophe. The O is not is replaced by apostrophe except for will not and cannot. For example, is and not, it become isn't. Here O is replaced by apostrophe. Then has not, has n apostrophe t. That means O is replaced by apostrophe. Same way, have not, haven't, was not, wasn't, does not, doesn't, and could not, couldn't. When the contraction with is, am, and are, the I in is replaced by the apostrophe, and a in are is replaced by apostrophe. Then a in am is replaced by apostrophe. For example, she is. So she apostrophe is. How is. How apostrophe is. That is. That apostrophe is. They are. They apostrophe are e. You are. You apostrophe are e. Now we'll see contraction with will, has, have, and had. The wi in will is replaced by apostrophe. Same way, ha in has, have, and had is replaced by the apostrophe. For example, I will. Here, I apostrophe double L. She will. She apostrophe double L. Then you have. You apostrophe ve. We have. We apostrophe ve. Same way it changes in has and had. If the noun is singular, we have to add apostrophe and s to the noun, and if the noun is singular and end in s, still add apostrophe and s. Now we will see some more examples of contraction, how they change. I have, then I apostrophe ve. You have, you apostrophe ve. He has, he apostrophe s. She has, she apostrophe s. It has, it apostrophe s. We have, we apostrophe ve. E. Now we'll have contraction with not. Is not, isn't, are not, aren't, do not, don't, could not, couldn't, would not, wouldn't, does not, doesn't, again will not, won't, should not, shouldn't, has not, hasn't, were not, weren't, and had not, hadn't. These are contractions with not. We'll see how contractions cut up. You will have fun. So what we will use instead of you will, you apostrophe double L. Then we did not kick it. For did not we will use we didn't, DIDN apostrophe T, didn't kick it. We are in class. So contraction of we are is we apostrophe R E. Then that is not a frog. Here is not is replaced by isn't, is N apostrophe T. Here O is removed. She is 6 years old. Here again she is replaced by she apostrophe S. Then I have been on a jet. Here I have is replaced by I apostrophe V E. So we have seen that in contraction two words are joined together and they becomes the short form of the words. Now we'll see some more contractions. Are not, aren't, then cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, do not, don't, have not, haven't, he is, his, here is, here's, I am, I have, I will, I'd, then it is, it's. Again here it will, must not, mustn't, she is, she's, that is, that's, they are, there, they have, they've, we are, were, we have, we've, we will, we would, we apostrophe D. Then what is words. So these are the words of contractions that are used to make a sentence and to show the possession or the belonging, that something belongs to someone, and we use apostrophe with the letters to show the possession. So today we learn about contractions.